Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Rose. How are you
Hello,
today?
teacher.
Happy Friday. Happy Friday, Rose. How are you? How are you today?
I'm so good.
You're feeling so good. That's really great to hear, honey. Okay. Anyway, oh, are you feeling tired?
Now,
Do you feel tired today? Okay. What are the things that you did at school, honey? What are the things that you did at school? What are the activities that you did at school? Did you do a lot of things from school, Rose?
yes,
Yeah. What are
yes.
those? What did you do? Did you play?
Mm, I play basketball.
You
I
played
play bad. I
what
play
else?
badminton
Badminton.
and many.
And many more. Wow. Okay, happy Friday, Rose. You don't have a class tomorrow, right? So you don't need to wake up so early tomorrow because you don't have a class. Okay, so
Yeah.
anyway, honey, have you eaten dinner already, Rose?
No.
You haven't eaten dinner yet? Oh no. are you are you hungry?
Mm,
Are you hungry?
yes, but not. Yes, but not a lot.
Ah, but not a lot. Okay, well, that's great to hear, honey. Teacher is now going to share the screen. We're going to continue with our material, Rose, okay?
Okay.
Yay! Okay, teacher is now going to share the material.
Yay.
Yay! All right. Can you see teacher's screen now?
Yes, I
Yes,
can
I
see
can.
a. Yes, I can see a shell.
Very good. Honey, do you still remember this thing right here? What is this? Do you still remember this one?
What?
Do you still remember this? What is this one? This is
What?
this one. Can you see teacher screen?
This
Yes.
is shirt.
Very good. This one is a shirt. You have to include the color, honey. I can see
I can see a green shirt.
very good. I can see a green shirt. Where do you wear your shirt, honey? Where do you wear a shirt? Or
In
when?
the party.
Very good. You say, I wear a shirt in the party.
I wear a shirt in the party.
Very good. Well, that's great to hear, honey. Okay. Now let's move forward to the next one.
Wow.
Are you sleepy?
Yeah.
Okay. But you're not tired, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we have here the next one, honey. What can you see?
I can see I can see
Uh-huh.
purple dress.
Very good. I can see a purple dress. That's correct, honey. Okay. When do you wear a dress, honey? When do you wear a dress?
In the happy birthday.
Wow. In your birthday? Your birthday, honey?
Yes.
Oh, you say, honey, I wear a dress in my birthday.
I wear a dress in
In
my
my
birthday.
birthday. Very good. What is your favorite color, honey, when it comes to dress? Me, I like pink dress. How about you?
I like this Wait.
Okay.
This.
Uh-huh.
This.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yellow. This.
So
This.
cute.
Oh,
Oh, oh.
this.
Oh, it's a lot of
And this.
colors. Oh no. It's a lot of colors. Many, many, many colors. Okay. All right, honey. So now, let's have the next one. Do you still remember the name of this cloth, honey?
It's skirt.
Very good. It's a shirt. I can see. Ah, you include the color. I can see. Ah,
I can see a skirt.
color. I can see a pink.
I can see a pink skirt.
Very good. Honey, do you have a skirt?
Yeah.
What's the color of your favorite skirt?
I have a pink and this have this.
Ah, what's that? Wow, it's a shell.
Yes.
A shell. Where did you get it? Oh, it's a necklace. Is it a necklace, honey? Is it a necklace?
Yes.
Oh, where did you get it?
My brother.
Ah,
My brother give this in school.
So your brother got it from school. He got it from school. Yes? Oh, okay, honey. All right, that's so nice. Me, honey, I have a necklace right here. I have a small necklace right here. A very, very tiny heart necklace. Okay. All right, Rose, we have the next one, honey. We have here the next one. I have a question to you, honey. When do you wear a skirt? When do you wear a skirt?
When do I wear the skirt?
Yes, like a party, at school, at the park, at the hospital, at the
At
mall.
the restaurant.
Okay, how do you say it in complete sentence? I wear a skirt at the restaurant. Can you say that?
I wear the skirt at the restaurant.
Very good, honey. That is correct. Me, honey, I have a favorite skirt right here. I have a favorite skirt, honey. I will get it, okay? This is my favorite skirt. My favorite skirt, it's blue. This is my favorite skirt, honey. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me show you, okay? Here. Here is my favorite skirt. It is blue. How about you? What's the color of your favorite skirt?
Wait.
Oh, it's okay. Are you going to get it? It's okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Yeah. Teacher,
Okay. Yes?
I have many skirts, but it has a rainbow.
You didn't get it, honey? You didn't get your skirt?
Yes,
Okay.
but the color of skirt is rainbow.
Really? And it's your favorite skirt? It is your favorite skirt, honey? Wow.
Yeah.
That's really great to hear. Okay, thank you so much for that one, honey. Okay, now let's move forward to the next page. What kind of thing is this?
Pen.
Very good. This is pants. Pants, honey. I can see what's the color? I can see color.
Pants.
I can see brown.
I have a pen.
You have a pant? You have pants? Okay. Are you going to get it? Okay.
Teacher, I have a pen.
Oh, really? Are you going to get it?
What?
Are you going to get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Where? Wow! It is really nice. It has a flower? It has a flower?
Have yeah.
What's the color?
Blue.
Wow, that's so nice. That's very nice. And you say, I have blue pants.
I have blue pen.
Very good. Okay, great job. Thank you so much for sharing that one to me, Rels. Okay. All right. When do you wear pants, honey? When do you wear pants?
So I go to my boyfriend because my teacher say you go to the boyfriend and or
You
and
go
have
to
one homework.
you you
Then
go to your boyfriend's
you
house?
and boyfriend. Yeah, and
Boyfriend?
girlfriends. Boyfriend
Ah,
in this house is a boyfriend and girlfriend.
I see. So just a friend, honey. It's just a
To
friend.
give a homework is one horse.
Mhm.
He mm, he he take um he take a money.
Oh,
We color this.
ah,
It's so hard.
it's so hard, really. But you helped each other, right? You helped each other. Yeah. Your boyfriend helped you, your girlfriend helped you, and you help your boyfriends and you help your girlfriends too, right? Yes. Okay. So that's not hard because you help each other. Okay. All right, honey. Again, honey, what's this word? This is what is this
Yeah.
clothing? Pants. Do you like pants, honey? Do you like
No.
pants? You don't like?
No.
You don't like it? Why? Why don't you like it?
Because it's very long.
It's very long. Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Do you like the shirt, skirt, dress, or pants? Which one is your favorite?
I favorite everyone. But I like this.
Okay, which one do you like?
Yes.
Ah, you like pink pants. You like pink pants, honey. Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like the pants, but it should be pink. Okay, okay. You say, I like pink pants.
I like pink pants.
Very good. Okay, now, how about this one, honey? What's this kind of clothes?
It sucks.
Yes, their socks, honey. You're going to say their socks because it's two. It's two of
There,
them.
there
Yes.
are socks.
Yes. Okay, honey. You say the whole sentence. What can you see? I can see blue.
I can see blue socks.
Very good. I can see blue socks, honey. When do you wear socks? When
I
do
go
you wear
to-
socks?
I go to school. I
Mhm.
am wearing shoes. Then I wear this.
Ah, you say, honey, okay, I wear socks at school
I wear
with
socks
my
at
shoes.
school with
With
my
my
shoes.
shoes, yes. How about at home, honey? Do you also wear socks at home? Do you wear socks at home?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, I see.
Teacher.
Yes. It's a
I
rain
like this. I like this socks.
rainbow socks. Do you have rainbow socks?
No, but I like this.
What's the color of your socks, honey? What usually are the color of your socks?
It's this.
White?
No, this.
Ah, like that. Like that, honey. They're
It's-
all mixed colors.
They are pink. They are pink.
Ah, your socks are pink? Your socks are pink, honey?
Yes.
Yes? Ah, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now, honey, again, what are these? These are
These are socks.
very good. These are socks. Okay, how about this one, my dear?
Teacher, I have these shoes.
Really? You have shoes that looks like this? Wow. It really looks like that. Okay, honey. Where do you wear this? Where do you wear this kind of shoes? Where do you wear
I
it?
go to the dance class.
Dance class? Oh. How about at school?
I
Do you
hip hop.
really? Really, honey? How about at school?
Yes, at school I wear this. But
Honey, you
I wear shoe, but its color is black.
It's black. Honey, so you know how to dance hip hop. You know how to dance hip hop, honey. Yeah?
Yes, I think very beautiful.
Really? Do you have a video, honey, where you dance hip hop?
Yes,
Really? Wow. Me, honey, teacher doesn't know how to dance. I don't know how to dance. I wish I know how to dance. That's my dream. My dream is to dance, but I don't know. So you have hip hop classes, Rose?
and this have a teacher.
Really? I see. You also have a dance teacher? You also have a hip hop dance teacher?
Yes, the teacher is boy.
It's a boy. When do you go there, honey? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. When do you go there?
Saturday.
Saturday.
In
Oh,
evening. Saturday
tomorrow.
in evening.
Ah, so it's going to be tomorrow.
On 7
At 7 o'clock.
no, at 7:13.
7:13. 7:13 or 30, honey? Like this? Like that one?
Yes.
Ah, at 7:30. 30.
7:13.
Honey, this one is 13. This one is 13. This one is 30.
at 7:30.
Yes, 30. All right, honey, you say, I can see black.
I see a black shoes.
Very good. When do you wear your shoes, honey? When do you wear your shoes? When?
When?
When? Honey, when? Okay. Here is when. When teacher asks you when, this is how it means. When.
Khi.
Khi. When do you wear
Khi.
it?
Khi nào?
Like that. This is.
Bạn mặc nó khi nào?
Yes. Khi nào?
I go to school. I play and I jump, dance.
Yes. Okay. I wear shoes when I
I
go
wear
to
shop. Teacher, I wear shop.
shoes. Okay. To my dance class. Can you say this one, honey?
No, dance class, hip hop class.
Ah, hip hop class. Hip hop class. Okay, can you read that one?
I wear shoes when I go to school and went to my hip hop class.
When I go to my hip hop class.
Yes, teacher in the school is have ballet class and hip hop
Really?
class.
Really, honey? You love it? You
Yes,
love it?
I jump to class.
Honey, how about
Perfect.
ballet?
Yes,
Ballet.
ballet is have.
Yeah.
Yes.
Múa
Happy
ballet.
Yes, you like it too? You also have ballet?
Yes.
Also have ballet?
In Sunday. On
Wow.
morning.
You have a lot of classes. You have a lot of classes, Rose. Do you feel tired, Rose, or no? You
No,
don't feel
I'm
tired?
not tired.
You like it. You like it so much.
I jump, then I dance, then I go home. I take a bath and I sit to this chair and I have a book and read.
Whoa.
And I listen to music too.
Wow. That's so nice to hear, honey.
Teacher, I really like yoga.
Yoga? You know yoga?
Yes.
You do yoga?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm do very good.
Who taught you that? Mommy? Mommy taught you how to do yoga?
No, my grandpa.
Ah,
Grandma.
grandma. Your grandma does yoga. How about
The
mommy?
grandma is
Mm.
is they is is in bed is in form is in have a sister my grandma.
Ah, it's your grandma's sister.
Younger sister.
Ah, I understand, honey. It is your grandma's younger sister. Yeah? Ah, okay. And then you're close, honey. And then she taught you how to do it. She taught you how to do it. Yeah? Honey? She's the one who
Yes.
taught you. She's the one who taught you how to do it. Yes? Wow. And you like it, honey. Okay. When
And
do you...
my teacher in this is in Ida.
Huh? Again?
In India.
Ah, India.
Yeah.
Ah, so you really have a yoga class, honey. You have a yoga class.
Yes.
You have a yoga class from your teacher? Wow.
Yes, the teacher is
India.
in India.
Ah, a teacher from India. That's very amazing. So you like her too? You like your teacher from India too? Yeah?
Teacher really like Thai.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Oh. And then
The
she
name
teaches
of this class is Ananda Yoga.
Another yoga? Another yoga? Oh. That's I want to learn yoga too, honey. So maybe I will just watch YouTube. I will
No,
just
the yoga is very hard and very difficult.
really it's very hard and difficult, honey. So it's so hard for me to learn it in using YouTube. I really need to have a class. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, really? But there are no yoga classes here. But if I'm going to go to Vietnam, I will try to learn, honey. I will try to have classes, yoga classes in Vietnam when I go there. Okay.
Yoga.
Anyway, honey, let's
Wow.
have this one, honey. You're going to listen and put a number in the circle, okay? You listen and then put a number in the circle. Let's go.
Page 32. B. Listen and number. 1,
I have a yellow shirt and green pants.
What's number 1? Very good. Okay, next, let's have number 2.
2,
He has green shoes.
Okay.
This
3,
number 2.
I have a purple skirt. I have gray socks.
Okay.
4,
She has red shoes.
Okay.
5,
I have blue pants and gray shoes.
Okay.
6,
She has a red dress.
Okay.
7,
I have a green dress.
I have a green dress. Lastly,
8,
She has a white shirt.
she has a white shirt. Very good. Okay, anyway, honey, we don't have enough time anymore. So we're going to have a review of that one next meeting this coming Thursday next week, okay? Thank you so much, my dear Rose, for your time. And I hope
Teacher. Happy weekend.
happy weekend.
Happy.
Happy weekend. Hello. Happy weekend, brother. Goodbye, Rose. And have a nice
Bye. Teacher.